Meaning of individual.
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 Individual. The term individual refers to a single entity or person, distinct from others in terms of personal characteristics, abilities, and experiences. It emphasizes the uniqueness and autonomy of each person as a separate entity, with their own innate ideas, beliefs, and preferences that shape their behavior and choices. An individual is not just a member of a particular group or society but possesses their own identity and agency. Recognizing this individuality is important to promote diversity, respect, and human rights. The concept of individualism has been a driving force behind numerous social, political, and economic movements throughout history.